Well, Gemma asked for ice skates for Christmas. Kind of out of blue. And a pet unicorn. She wanted ice skates and pet unicorn. We got her the ice skates. And now we're going to go seek down a lake and try and clear out a little patch to go ice skating. Let's see what we have to work with out here. All right, found our spot. Nice solid ice underneath, got it cleared out. A little bit bumpy, so we're gonna have to figure out how to Zamboni this. But I think we're gonna get it to go. Yeah! All right, we cleared it out. It's a pretty good size. We don't really know what we're doing, so we dumped some water on here. We kind of scraped here, broomed it. We're gonna go get some more water, experiment, go do some research, see how to get this baby smooth. All right, we haven't really smoothed it out yet, but Aud's got her ice skates on. I think we got some work to do on smoothing it, and also none of us really know how to ice skate, so. Jems, what do you think? Do you want to put your ice skates on? Yeah? Okay, we will. You ready to go ice skating? Let's do it.
Just stand up.
Hi, Jemmy. Are you ice skating?
All right, well, Audrey's ice skating on it. The patch where we put water is definitely a lot better, so there's a little access to water over there. We're gonna keep dumping buckets of water on, and then it'll be nice. It's big grooves, still with some snow in it, and then when we put water on it, it definitely helps smooth it out. We just need more ice skates. We only have 2 pair. Nice snow angel, Gems. That's what I'm talking about.
How big you want this baby?
All right, ice skating rink on Lake Cascade update. We just finished putting a layer of water, buckets from a little stream over there on it. So we're gonna let it freeze overnight, and tomorrow, oh baby. Look at those braids. Yeah. So pretty out here when it's just foggy and we're just socked in. You look out towards the lake. Check out our ice skating rink. What's up? Oh my gosh. Back to the lake house. Here comes Gemma all by herself. Right into a bush. Hey, Aj, do you know what they call me? Sled head. That's pretty good. Are you eating snow? Look, it's really slippery. We dumped water on it at the end of the day. First time back here next morning, and it is slick. It's like a lot smoother. Holy smokes. It still isn't perfect, but man, that's pretty good. I'm proud of this skating rink down here. It's nice and slick. Quick update on the ice skating situation because I didn't have any. Their neighbor did. I'm coming through in clutch, so I've got some ice skates that I get to try my hand at skating. They're like a size too small, but I don't care. Oh, baby! It's cold! All right, you guys, I got my skates on, snowmobile down here. It's been years, let's give this a go. I'm skating. Oh yeah. Woo! My God, wow! Wow! Guys, I can't believe it came together. We actually built a rink, and I'm skating. Woo! I love it. Oh, look who it is. I think Curdy Bobo decided to show up. Look who decided to show up.
Ice skating.
It's great. Check it out. Woo! Hi, Cooper! Whoa! Whoa! Guys, this ice skating rink and finding someone to borrow ice skates from, it's all just proof that if you put your mind to something, you can accomplish it and your dreams can come true. All right, just work hard and be patient. I was just kidding, you guys. I'm not turning this into a motivational speech. I'm just so happy right now that I got to skate. Woo! Oh yeah! Wow!